Hello everyone, welcome back to the new session. In the previous class, we have completed the lesson A Short Monsoon Diary. Today, let us discuss the question answers of this lesson. Firstly, comprehensive questions, page number 117. First question: when does the monsoon season begin and when does it end? How do you prepare to face the monsoon? The monsoon enters India from east and south somewhere around mid of May. It reaches northern part of the country around second week of June. The monsoon ends around September. We take out our raincoats and umbrellas to face the monsoon. This is how we can answer for this question. Next, second one. Which hill station does the author describe in this diary entry? In this diary entry, the author describes the beauty of the lovely hill station named Mussoorie that comes in Uttarakhand. Next, third one. For how many days does it rain without stopping? What does the author do on these days? It rained for 8 or 9 days without stopping. Since there was nowhere to go, the author stayed in his room and looked out of the window at a few bobbing umbrellas. He observed the nature while sitting in the room itself. Next, fourth one. Where do the snakes and rodents take shelter and why? The snakes and rodents take shelter in roofs, attics, and godowns in order to save themselves from rainwater. Fifth one. What did the author receive in the mail? The author received a check in the mail, right? Page number 118, working with text. Look carefully at the diary entries for June 24th and 25th, August 2nd and March 23rd. Now, write down the changes that happen as the rains progress from June to March. After reading the diary entries from June to August and March also, we have to write how the rain progressed during the season, right? June 24th is the first day of monsoon mist. The author observed the mist on 24th of June. The hills are concealed by the mist. It blankets the hills with a cover of silence. The real monsoon shower comes on June 25th. The whole nature welcomes it. The first cobra lily rears its head from the ferns. By August 2nd, by 2nd of August, the people became weary of the monsoon. Weary means restless. There is no storm, no thunder, just a steady tropical downpour. Downpour means rain. People keep in their houses and enjoy the sound of raindrops falling on their roofs. The people enjoyed the rhythm of rain. Snakes and rodents take shelter in roofs, attics, and godowns. March 23rd. On 23rd of March, heralds means declares the end of winter. The sky starts to become clear after a hailstorm, and a rainbow starts forming in the clear sky. At the end of the season, there the author found beautiful rainbow in the sky. One can enjoy this sight of rainbow which shows beauty of nature. It is remarked as the beauty of nature, right? Second one. Why did the grandmother ask the children not to kill the chuchundar? The grandmother asked the children not to kill the chuchundar because it was considered lucky. She said that it brought money. It is believed that chuchundar is lucky and it brings money. Next, third one. What signs do we find in nature which show that the monsoons are about to end. Wild balsam, dahlias, begonias, and ground orchids begin to appear. The seeds of cobra lily are turning red. These signs show that the monsoons are about to end. The author found the slight change in the nature, so it marked that it was end of monsoon season. Till now we discussed the question answers of the lesson, a short monsoon diary. Write these question answers neatly and be ready for the sleep test. Thank you. Have a nice day.